Hello everyone, my name is Olectralab, and today we are going to be making some advanced science stuff. I'm currently developing these advanced wafers, and these are going to be used, and also these regular basic wafers. These are silicon wafers, and they're used in the galacticraft to create all sorts of shenanigans. If we just go over here, we have the current. Oh, the battery's flat. I just got to charge it. You got to switch these batteries in here so that they charge. I'm just trying to figure out which slot. Oh, it needs coal. Here we go. In. Goes into this one. Alright, here we go. We're charging up the battery. It's just currently the generator is running on coal. And we just put this battery over here into the circuit fabricator, and we should have blue wafers. I just realized that it stopped because there's too many silicon chips in here. I've also got some aluminum wire in here. I had tons of aluminum wire. I can't remember what I used it for. Oh, that's right. Sorry. So I was constructing these huge big power cables over here, but then it turned out that it just didn't work, so I may as well take these down. I did try and run power to Avenon's base over there, but it didn't seem to work out. I can't wait until Red gets on the stream, because he is and also Avenon. Avenon is a plethora of knowledge on alchemy in the game, and Red has ridiculous knowledge of the galacticraft, I'm told, so it's going to be really exciting when the next stream comes on later. But for now, I'm just going to demolish these unnecessary cables here. I'm going to use them to make some solar panels. And I'm just going to go down here. And I'm going to take this aluminum wire out. So, aluminum. I'm saying, I've been listening to America too much. I'm saying aluminum instead of aluminium. I'm going to take these aluminium wires. I'm going to put them in here. We need aluminium wires, blue sulfur, not sulfur, solar wafers, and we're also going to need glass. So I just come over here. I think we have some glass stored up. Oh no, I've completely lost where it is. We have some glass stored somewhere. I just forgot where I put it. No, it's not in here, not in here, not in here. We need some glass. I'm just going to put this, put it into the transmutation device, I think. Take these diamonds out, and then I'll just switch this, and we'll get some glass from the transmutator. Here we go. It's going to cost a lot of energy, but it should be right. Exchanging all of this raw silicon for glass. We just click this out here. We should have some glass. That should be enough. And we can just come to a regular crafting table, actually. And what we're going to do is put down our solar wafers, and then we're going to put down our glass, and then we're going to put down our aluminium wire, sorry. And that's going to give us 42 of these single solar modules. Now we need more aluminium wire, so I'm just going to go over here to get some rubber. Was it Avenon? Avenon made this awesome sorter that just produces a ridiculous amount of rubber. So we get some rubber over here, and we need some aluminium. So if we just come over here and grab some aluminium, and then we'll go over to the crafting bench here. Hope Avenon doesn't mind me using his crafting bench. What we're going to do is put down some aluminium ingots, and we're going to put down some rubber, and we're going to go and put some more rubber down, and that's going to give us some aluminium wires. I'm just going to shift click these over into here. I'm going to throw away this glass. It's too much glass. Now we've got enough. Well, we should be able to go to a regular crafting bench again. We should be able to put down this aluminium wire, and then the single solar modules here, and that should give us some full solar panel modules. Now these are necessary ingredients to make this over here. So this, what I've got here, it's nighttime now, so they're not turned up. I'll just sleep so that you can see what they look like in the daytime, because they track the sun. Wherever the sun is in the sky, the solar panels will track it to increase efficiency of energy absorbed using nothing but the power generated by the sun. So they're pretty efficient. So these are called advanced solar panel modules, and they require a battery. They don't require a battery, but you put a battery in, and it can charge. It can actually charge anything. And I've got this hooked up to this generator over here, and as you can see, it's making advanced wafers out of these repeaters, this redstone dust and diamonds. And the battery's flat, but it's all right because we've got, I'll just throw away this rubber. We'll go over here and get the battery out of here, and we'll put the new battery in, and we'll put the flat battery in. As you can see, it's slowly charging the battery. It's got an EU value, which I forget what it stands for, but Avalon would know, or Red probably. And we have oil. I don't know how to make the refinery equipment yet, so I'm going to wait until everyone gets on before I make the fuel for the rockets. But we have our first, this is courtesy of Red, who's one of the people from the Avalon channel. Go check them out, by the way, if you haven't already. They do some pretty cool Minecraft live stream, cooking videos, and they went to Comic-Con once, which is pretty cool. And we just go. So how many more?